iTeracare blower, your partner in health. Hello, would you like to know how you could awaken the self-healing power within you, using the iTeracare, a revolutionary health device, using Terahertz technology? You might ask, what is Terahertz technology? American scientists first discovered terahertz in the 1980s, and described it as an infrared light that matches the vibration frequency of human cells. They called it Terahertz waves, or the wave of life. They did this because they found it could resonate with human cells to activate the cells in the body. The Japanese scientist named it the light of life, and the Chinese scientist eventually termed it God's waveband, a divine frequency. The iTeracare, which uses Terahertz technology, was launched in June 2021, and since then, it has grown so fast, to more than 25 countries, from US, India, Indonesia, Philippines, Australia, Eastern Europe, and still expanding. You may ask, why this is happening, and expanding so rapidly? Simple, a good product sells by itself, because it is producing positive health results. A little later, I will show you all the testimonies shared by satisfied and happy customers. This revolutionary product has changed the lives and helped a lot of people around the world. You will see in the following presentation, what is iTeracare, what is it used for, and how it could change your life. Let's get started. Hippocrates, the ancient Greek father of medicine, said the following 25 centuries ago: natural forces within us are the true healers of diseases. These are the frequencies and energies within the body. Human beings are actually energy beings, and not just physical beings. Hippocrates also said, all diseases can be treated, provided there is a way to heat the bones. I will show you how this is possible, and is happening, by using the iTeracare. Albert Einstein also said that the future of medicine will be the medicine of frequencies. This next information is going to both surprise and shock you at the same time. Did you know that 1 hour of the iTeracare therapy is equivalent to 10 times of acupuncture, 20 times of cupping, and 40 times of body massage? There are 7 powerful benefits of using the iTeracare blower, your partner in health. Eliminates unhealthy cells. Activates inert cells. Increases self-healing. Helps clear the meridians and lymphs in the body. The next image shows a man blowing the iTeracare for a customer who is lying down. When you blow on your spine over and over again, from 15 to 20 minutes daily, you will activate your dormant stem cells in the bone marrow. Keep doing this, and over time, do not be surprised if you feel like your body has been rejuvenated with new kidneys, liver, and heart. It looks like the secret to being young and healthy has finally been decoded. Improves microcirculation. It dilates blood vessels, reduces blood flow resistance and viscosity. This has proven to be effective for people with high blood pressure. Regulates your glands. It regulates the endocrine glands and protects the organs. Just start blowing slowly at your liver for fatty liver, kidney for kidney stones, or heart for blockages. Removes body humidity. It even helps clear water retention in the body and helps with weight loss. The iTeracare is user-friendly, as it is easy to operate, and no professional skill or knowledge required. Just blow it on the uncomfortable and affected areas, and see fast results. Next, we come to the most important section of the iTeracare presentation. Testimonies shared by grateful and happy customers around the world. Belly fat. Look at this guy with a big stomach. Just after 20 days of using the iTeracare, he said that his stomach became smaller. So, people with big bellies should give it a try. Bell's palsy is an involuntary muscular movement on the face. This lady had Bell's palsy, and after using iTeracare for just 8 days, she got better. Just look at her face, which is looking 90% recovered and normal. The next slide shows an old man, also with Bell's palsy, and heavy eye bags. Now look at the next image, of the same old man, with nearly 90% recovery, and no eye bags. The next slide shows an agitated elderly lady with Alzheimer's disease, but became calm after using this device. So, For those people who are stressed out and agitated with unbalanced energy, it is recommended to use this product to calm yourself. This gentleman said that he suffered for 10 years with arthritis pain in his knees. After using the iTeracare for a few days, he said that he felt less pain and was confident he will get better. This photo shows a person who suffered with vasculitis for 10 years and is on the road to recovery just after 5 times of the iTeracare therapy. As you can see, the wounds are drying up and healing. How grateful this person must be feeling to have found the iTeracare that has put an end to their pain and misery. The next testimony is on psoriasis. This man got his severe psoriasis partially healed between 7 to 9 days. He continued using the iTeracare and said that within 22 days, he experienced a 90% recovery. Next slide shows a person who had skin disorder for 3 years and got better after only 4 days of therapy. This lady had thyroid nodules or goiter that got smaller and near normalcy just after 10 therapies. This is a sad case, which shows this elderly lady suffering from systemic lupus erythematosus. Can you imagine if any of your loved ones suffered from this, and you have no solutions to offer them? But this lady was blessed because someone had introduced her to the iTeracare therapy. Just after 2 therapies, you can see the tremendous improvement for yourself. Awesome results for all to see. This next therapy is called the iTeracare Skin Beauty Lift, which I am sure many ladies, in particular, would like to experience. Look closely at the faces of all 3 ladies. You will notice that half of their face appears lifted, with a V-shaped jawline. One side of their face looks firm and lifted after a few therapies with iTeracare. The other side of the face looks saggy and aged. A question for the ladies: which side of the face would you choose to have? This device is also good to remove wrinkles. Look at this gentleman and see how happy he is, proudly showing off one side of his face that appears lifted and free of wrinkles. If you would like to experience similar results, just give iTeracare a try today. If it can work for them, it can definitely work for you. The next video is for people who have eye problems like cataract, dry eyes or even glaucoma. Use this device to blow around your eyes and face, but a word of caution: remove your contact lens or spectacles. Also, be sure to select the lower setting from the selector range, which has numbers 1 and 2. This photo shows an elderly gentleman who has arthritis pain in his joints for both his hands and knees. He said that he had to use a walking stick when he went to the iTeracare Therapy Center. After just 1 therapy session for 45 minutes, he said that he walked out without the walking stick, as his pain was minimized. This testimony sounds so promising for other people who are suffering in silence for years with similar health problems. This man with varicose veins could not believe it when his health problem disappeared before his eyes with just 1 full hour of iTeracare therapy. What an amazing product that more people should be introduced to. This next image shows a male suffering from vitiligo. Vitiligo is a disease that causes loss of skin color in patches. It is caused by the lack of melanin, which is the pigment in the skin. This person gave a testimony that his condition improved after 5 months of iTeracare therapy. So people, please take note, just keep using or blowing this amazing device to start seeing fast results. Mike is a diabetic with a health problem. He said that he could not raise his hands, but just after 15 minutes of blowing, he could raise his arms 80% higher. Mike was so happy that he showed us that grateful smile and hoped that his thinning hair problem will also be solved soon. This child has a severe skin problem and was truly blessed to have an opportunity to experience the iTeracare. The date on the photo shows that she got back her baby skin within 4 months. How thankful and relieved her parents would be to see their child back to normal. This is a new testimony for iTeracare. The picture was taken on 4th of September 2021, and this lady has 4th stage breast cancer. She also had bone metastasis in January 2018. Just after 5 days of therapy, she shared that her lump reduced by 20% and pain by 80%. After 22 days, she said that 30% lump and 90% pain was reduced. Until today, she is continuing to use the iTeracare daily and getting better slowly but surely. So good to hear such happy endings. A big thank you to iTeracare, your partner in health. If you know of anyone suffering from breast cancer, please do not hesitate to recommend this product, as it will help the body heal itself. This doctor was tested positive for COVID-19, but he said that he recovered fast, as he had been using the iTeracare on himself. You can also use this product to disinfect yourself before you enter your house. This will protect you and your family. Just start blowing on your entire body, including your face mask. You are strongly advised to energize or charge any water with iTeracare before you drink. Do you want to know what happens to the water after you charge it for 2 minutes? The water molecules become linear, which means the water molecules become small and can be easily absorbed into our body cells. This water is highly energized with oxygen, and by consuming it, all the unwanted free radicals in the body will be killed and flashed out. Thank you for watching the iTeracare blower presentation till the end. Put your health back in your hands and heal from the inside out using iTeracare, your health partner at home. This is a home-based therapy that is fast, safe, and effective for the whole family. To buy or to get more information on the iTeracare blower, please contact Rita at the email shown on the screen, iTeracare101@gmail.com.